how to delete your HelloTalk account. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up the app. Once the app has loaded, click on Me in the bottom right corner. Now right here you want to click on the gear icon in the top right, and then just choose account at the very top. After you have chosen account, you will see all of your information here, and in some lighter text, it's written in light text here, you will see delete account, and you will see the options of deleting your account. You can change your settings, or you can click on delete account here. It's going to take us to a new page like so, and you're about to start the account deletion process. You can read through this information and you can click on request deletion and just go through the prompts to delete your HelloTalk account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.